Hello students, here we are once again to solve the exercise for the explanation of solving how to solve the exercise of chapter 3 that is nouns gender. Okay, so here we will be discussing how we have to solve the exercises that is given in the third chapter nouns gender. Let us start with the first exercise, exercise A. The heading says complete these tables. Now in the table on one side is the heading is masculine gender and on the other side it is feminine gender. If masculine gender is given, you have to write the feminine gender of that. If feminine gender is given, you have to write the masculine gender of that. Okay, we have solved two examples. In the first example, if you see, the feminine gender is given, that is fiancé, and we are expected to write the masculine gender of that is fiancé. Okay, fiancé and the masculine is fiancée. Fine. Now in the same way, look at the next one. Masculine gender is given and we are expected to write the feminine gender. The masculine gender given is uncle and the feminine gender of that is aunt. Okay, so uncle, that is masculine gender, and its feminine gender is aunt. In the same way, students, you have to solve the rest of the table, and if masculine is given, write the feminine of that, and if feminine is given, write the masculine of that. Okay, now let us go to exercise B. Let me read the heading for you. Rewrite these sentences by changing the masculine nouns to feminine nouns and feminine nouns to masculine nouns, as the case may be. Make other changes wherever required. So what are we expected? There is a paragraph, there are sentences given, and in these sentences, if you find a masculine noun, you have to change it into feminine, and if you find a feminine noun, you have to change it into masculine, and accordingly there may be some other changes also that we need to do. Here we have two solved examples. Let us go through that. The first solved example, the sentence, the question sentence is, the fox ran and hid behind a rock to save itself from the lion and the tigress. Okay, now the masculine or feminine noun, gender based nouns here are fox, lion and tigress. These are the nouns that we can change from either masculine to feminine or feminine to masculine. Fox is a masculine, the feminine of that is vixen. Okay, now lion is a masculine, the feminine of that is lioness, and tigress is a feminine, the masculine of that is tiger. Okay, so the changed sentence, let us look at the changed answer sentence. The vixen ran and hid behind a rock to save itself from the lioness and the tiger. Understand, students? This is how we have to change it. Okay, now let us go through the next solved example. The question sentence says, the man told his son to serve tea to the lady and her daughter. Okay, so here the nouns that we need to change is man, that will be changed to woman, son, that will be changed to daughter, and lady, that will be changed to gentleman, and daughter, that will be changed to son. Understand, students? Now these nouns are the change that we have made from masculine to feminine or feminine to masculine, but accordingly we need to make some other changes also. Now in the question sentence, his son, his denotes man's son, but we changed man to woman, so his will change to her. Understand? And later in the sentence it is written her daughter. Her tells about the lady, but we changed from lady to gentleman, so her will be changed to his. Understand, students? These are the other changes that we have to make other than the noun. So what is the answer sentence now? The woman told her daughter to serve tea to the gentleman and his son. Understand, students? This is how we have to solve these examples or solve these sentences in this exercise. Okay, students? Now let us go to exercise C. Here the heading tells, read this passage and change the gender of the relevant words. Make other changes too. Now we have to read the paragraph. I have typed the complete paragraph. I will read it out, and we have to find the nouns that are masculine so that we can change it into feminine, and find the feminine nouns so that we can change it into masculine, and accordingly we need to make some other changes also. Okay, let me read the paragraph. The gentleman went into a shop to buy some items. He gave the woman in the shop his list. He saw a girl come in with her father and her brother. She wanted some chocolates and her brother wanted an apple. Their father bought them what they wanted, and the sister and brother were happy. The gentleman too got his items, thanked the woman and left the shop. Now, I am not going to solve the whole. I will try to solve the first two sentences or first three sentences. The nouns that can be changed are gentleman, woman, girl, father, and brother. So, gentleman will be changed to lady, woman will be changed to man, girl will be changed to boy, father will be changed to mother, and brother will be changed to sister. Now, there are some other things that we need to change. Now, in the second sentence, he gave the woman in the shop his list. Now, he means the gentleman, but we have changed the gentleman to lady. So, he will be changed to she, and his list will be changed to her list. Okay. In the third sentence, he saw a girl come with her father, her brother. Now, he means the gentleman, but we have changed it to lady, so he will be changed to she. Now, her father, her brother, her means of the girl, but we have changed the girl to boy, so her will be changed to his. Okay, students. Now, accordingly, we will read the answer sentence. A lady went into a shop to buy some items. She gave the man in the shop her list. She saw a boy come in with his mother and his sister. Okay, students, this is how you have to find the nouns which are in masculine and in feminine in the rest of the paragraph and change them to the other gender. If it is masculine, change it to feminine. If it is feminine, change it to masculine, and the necessary changes along with those. Okay, students. Now, this is how we have to solve exercise 3. So, students, if there are any doubts, if you have not understood any of the solution of any of the exercise, please send a message to me and I will get back to you and try to solve your doubts. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you so much.